I'm going to unbox this calendar day clock. Let's take a look. So in the box it comes in like this. I'm gonna take it out. So this is really cool. It's like an LD calendar clock. Let's look at this. So here we have the screen right here. And of course it comes with a remote control, which is really nice so you don't have to get up and change it. And your little plug right here. Let's see. I'm gonna take this off like such. It comes with a protective screen. It's really cool, so you can have your whole calendar and a clock in one right by your bedside or in your living room or kitchen, and it'd be really nice so you can plan out everything and have it all in a nice electronically device.